the places before starting learning the different places of animal homes. We are going to learn what is the term, what is this word, what is the meaning of the word shelter. Okay, what is the meaning of the word shelter? What is the spelling of shelter? SHELTER, shelter. Okay, what is the meaning of shelter? What is shelter? Shelter is a place where animals live. Okay, the places where animals live, that places are known as shelter. Okay, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Shelter. What is shelter? The places where animals live, that places are known as shelter. Arvita Zavre, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Arvita, what is shelter?
Shelter that animals live into the shelter.
The places where animals live, that places are known as shelter.
Shelter. Yes.
What is
The
shelter?
places where animals live are called shelter.
The places where animals live, that places are known as shelters. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll see the shelters of homes of domestic animals. Now, Arvita, can you tell me which are the domestic animals? Which animals are animals?
Dog, cat, goat, and
Why these animals are known as domestic animals? इनको domestic animal क्यों बोलते हैं?
क्योंकि उसको पालते हैं.
Because they live with us in our home, right? We keep them with ourselves. They live with us in our home. That's why they are known as domestic animals. Okay, good. So first domestic animal who is cow. Okay, cow. So where does cow live? What is that place called? Where does cow live? Cow lives in cow shed. काव कहाँ पे रहती है? वो जगह को, वो प्लेस को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? काव शेड. Okay, the place where cow lives, the place where cow eats grass, the place where cow takes rest, that place is known as cow shed. अभी ये cow shed कहाँ हम बनाते हैं? We keep our cows, our buffaloes, goats, all these are also known as farm animals. All of you know cow animals like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, all these are farm animals also. रुद्र केनी ठीक से बैठो. क्या हो गया? बैक को स्ट्रेट रखो. Everybody keep your back straight, sit straight. Have you become old? All of you? No energy in you, there is no energy. So cow lives in cow shed. Called cow shed. अभी cow shed हम कहाँ बनाते हैं? All of you know animals like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep. All these are farm animals. Okay, all these are, what are these animals known as? Farm animals. Aradhya More, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Aradhya, can you tell me why these animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat are known as farm animals? इनको farm animals क्यों बोलते हैं? Why these animals are known as farm animals? For what? Harshit, unmute करो.
में रहते हैं. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Harshit, can you tell me why animals like cow, sheep, goat, these are farm animals? इनको farm animals क्यों बोलते हैं हम लोग?
क्योंकि वो फार्म में होते हैं.
Because they live in farm. We keep these animals in farm. But why we keep these animals in farm? हम लोग इनको बाहर जंगल में भी रख सकते हैं ना, हम लोग फार्म्स में क्यों रखते हैं इनको?
क्योंकि हम उनको पालते
हैं, लेकिन they are very useful to us, right? What cow gives us?
मिल्क
Milk. What goat gives us?
मिल्क
So all these animals are very useful to us. That's why we keep them in our farm, right? We need milk, we need wool. Sheep से हमें wool मिलता है, so we keep us in our farm because these animals are very useful to us, right? Right or wrong, Harshit? Right, na? So these are the farm animals. We keep them in our farm. So in that farm only we make cow shed for the cow. ठीक है, वही फार्म में हम लोग एक काउ शेड, एक शेड बनाते हैं काउ एनिमल फॉर एनिमल्स लाइक बफेलो, cow, sheep. We make a shed. That shed is known as cow shed. So cow lives there, takes rest there, eats grass, okay, and gives milk in that cow shed only. Okay. So where does cow live, Harshit? What is that place called?
cow shed. Teacher.
Okay. So animals, cow lives in cow shed. Okay. Now, which is the other animal? Harshit, mute yourself. Dog.
Teacher.
Who loves dog here? किस किसको dog पसंद है? कि सब लोग डरते हैं इधर dog से? Navya likes dog. I also like dog. Who else likes dog? Sanjita likes dog. Aditi likes dog. तो किसी के घर पे है डॉगी है? किसी ने डॉगी को रखा है घर पे? किसी ने नहीं? स्वरा, is doggy there in your house? Who else have doggy in the house? घर पे किसका किसका डॉगी है? Okay, so dog lives in a kennel. What is the home of the dog called? Kennel. See the spelling. What is the spelling of kennel? K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. So dogs live in kennel. What is the home of the dog called? Kennel. They live with us inside our house, but in our house also we make a separate house for dog, right? कुछ कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो घर पे रखते हैं डॉग को, लेकिन अपने घर में भी अलग से एक घर बनाते हैं. तो वो घर को डॉग के लिए जो घर बनाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What is that place called? Kennel. Where does dog live? In kennel. Anugrah, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Where does dog live?
Kennel.
Kennel. What is the spelling of kennel? Read the spelling of kennel.
K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel.
K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. And where does cow live?
Cow.
What
Cow
is it?
shed.
Cow shed. Okay, so cow lives in cow shed. Dogs live in kennel. The place where dogs live, that is known as kennel. Now, horses. Where does horses live? Horses live in stable. What is that place called where horses live? That place is known as stable. तबेला, हिंदी में तबेला बोलते हैं. So horses live in stable. Okay, नव्या क्या हुआ बेटा? अनम्यूट करो.
टीचर.
हाँ.
टीचर, आप जो लेसन पढ़ाने वाले हैं ना, उससे पहले ना मुझे ये पढ़ना है.
आपको रीडिंग करना है? वो मैं बाद में लूंगी रीडिंग. अभी मैं जब मेरा पढ़ा के होने दो, फिर मैं आपका रीडिंग लेती हूँ सबका. ठीक है?
ओके.
Okay, so horses, another domestic animal. Horses help us in loading things. Okay, we with the help of horses we can load things on them and they carry things from one place to another. Okay, so horses, where does horses live? Horses live in stable. पिक्चर्स में आपने देखा रहेगा हॉर्सेस, घोड़े, घोड़े कहाँ रहते हैं? घोड़ों के तबेले होते हैं, स्टेबल. ओके, सो हॉर्सेस लिव इन स्टेबल. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्टेबल? STABLE, स्टेबल. एवरीबॉडी पे अटेंशन. मैं एक एक को पूछूंगी. Where does the animals live? Okay, so horses live in stable. ये तो हो गए domestic animals. Okay, now we had learned where the domestic animals live. Domestic animals, we only provide them with water, shelter and food. Okay, domestic animals don't make their own shelter. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल खुद अपना घर नहीं बनाते. श्लोक क्या है बेटा? सो गए? इतना बोरिंग सिखा रही हूं मैं. So domestic animals don't make their own shelter. We provide them with food, shelter and water. Okay, now we will move forward to wild animals. Okay, as I had told in the starting, birds live in nest. Some wild animals, see, everybody pay attention here what teacher is telling. Okay, some wild animals make their own shelter. कुछ wild animals ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं. ठीक है, लेकिन कुछ, there are some wild animals who don't make their own shelter. They go and live in other animals' house. Okay, understanding everybody? Some wild animals are like their own shelter. वो अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं. लेकिन कुछ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना घर नहीं बनाते. They are very lazy. Okay, some wild animals are so lazy they can't make their own house. They go and sleep in others' house. Okay, now nest. Birds live in nest. But what are the things birds use to make nest? Birds क्या क्या चीजें यूज करती है नेस्ट बनाने के लिए? That we are going to learn. See, what does bird use to make nest? Bird uses grass, twigs, leaves, threads and straws to make nest. Birds क्या क्या यूज करती है नेस्ट बनाने के लिए? कौन सी चीजें यूज करती है? वो ग्रास यूज करती है, ट्विग्स यूज करती है. ट्विग्स क्या होते हैं? What is the meaning of twigs? Twigs are the small branches of the trees. Okay, what are twigs? Twigs are the small branches of the trees. मानसी क्या हो रहा है? स्क्रीन पे देखो टीचर क्या पढ़ा रही है. So, what are the things birds use to make nest? Bird uses twigs, grass, leaves, छोटे छोटे पत्ते भी यूज करती है अपना नेस्ट बनाने के लिए. थ्रेड्स, धागे रहते हैं ना, गिरे हुए रहते हैं धागे जो यूज नहीं किए रहते हैं, वो धागे भी वो यूज करती है नेस्ट बनाने के लिए. एंड स्ट्रॉस. Okay, so these are the things which are used by the birds to make nest. Remember all these things. What are the things which are used by the bird to make nest? Harsh, calmly unmute yourself. Yes, Harsh.
Yes.
Yes, tell me what are the things used by the birds to make nest?
Sticks.
Twigs. Sticks नहीं, twigs.
Twigs.
हाँ. Then
Leaves.
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 समृद्धि सलून के ठीक से बैठो. Leaves. Then grass.
Grass.
Grass, twigs, leaves, threads, and straws.
Straws.
जो जूस पीने के लिए straw यूज करते हैं ना, वो भी that also the birds use to make nest. Read what is written on the screen, Harsh. Read that line.
Birds use grass, twigs, leaves, threads, and twigs to
Straws.
make nest.
Threads and
Straws to
make
make
nest. What bird uses to make nest? Ishaq, unmute karo. What does bird uses? Which things birds use to make nest?
stick.
Twigs है, stick नहीं है. Stick कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको? Twigs. Then
And grass.
Grass and
twigs.
twigs, grass, then leaves,
And twigs.
leaves, threads, and straws. What does bird use to make nest? Twigs, grass,
Leaves
leaves, and straw.
and straw.
Okay, mute karo. Now, we saw bird. What bird uses? Bird lives in nest. What all things the bird use makes nest that we have seen. Now, rabbit. Rabbit. Where does rabbit live? Aradhya Pandey, you have rabbit in your house, right? So where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a burrow.
Teacher.
Mute हो
You
जाओ.
are not me, teacher.
Mute हो जाओ. By mistake हुआ है. ठीक है. Where does rabbit live? What is that place called where rabbit lives? Rabbit lives in burrows. And who all live in burrows? Animals like rats, mice. These all animals live in burrows. What are burrows? Burrows are the holes which are dug inside the soil. ठीक है. Burrows क्या होते हैं? Burrows एक होल रहता है जो सॉइल में डिग करते हैं और उसमें एनिमल्स लाइक रैबिट्स, रैट एंड माइस लिव. ओके. So where does rabbit live? Where does rat, mice live? They live in burrows. What is that place called? Where the rabbits live? They live in burrows. Aradhya, unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Where does rabbit live?
Hole.
Hole. Where does rabbit live? अभी मैंने क्या बोला? Where does rabbit live? What is that place called? ध्यान नहीं था आपका?
Teacher,
मैं पाटिल अनम्यूट करो. कि मैं पाटिल unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Where does rabbit live?
Burrows.
Burrows. What is the spelling of burrow? Read.
Burrows.
Burrows. What are burrows की मैं? What are burrows? What is the meaning of burrow?
Animals like rabbits,
Burrows
rats, and mice dig holes and known as burrows.
They dig holes in the soil. Animals dig holes. That holes are known as burrows. So animals like rabbit live in burrow. अब ये क्या है? ये कौन है ग्रीन कलर का? ये कौन सा एनिमल है? स्नेक. स्नेक. सब डरते हैं ना स्नेक से. right?
Yes.
So snake is the animal which is so lazy. Snake इतना lazy होता है, वो अपना shelter बनाता ही नहीं, वो अपना घर नहीं बनाता, बोलता है मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा अपना घर, मैं दूसरे के एनिमल के घर में जाके रहूंगा, मैं दूसरे के एनिमल के घर में जाके सोऊंगा. See how he is looking now. He's thinking, should I go inside the hole and sleep? Let the rabbit go, I will go inside the burrow of the rabbit and sleep inside it. देखो कैसे देख रहा है रैबिट को, कब जाएगा क्या पता. ठीक है. सो स्नेक इज द एनिमल विच डजंट मेक इट्स ओन शेल्टर. स्नेक ऐसा एनिमल है जो खुद का घर नहीं बनाता, खुद का शेल्टर नहीं बनाता है, वो दूसरों के घर में जाके रहता है, वो दूसरों के घर में जाके रहता है. ठीक है. सो animals like rabbit live in burrows. Animals like snake, they don't make their own shelter, they go and live in other animals house. Now insects like ant and honeybee. Insects like ant, where does ant live?
Anthills.
Anthills, this we have studied in chapter number 13 also. Creep and crawl. क्रीप एंड क्रॉल में हमने पढ़ा था ना इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में. कहाँ रहते हैं इंसेक्ट्स? वेयर डज एंट लिव? आई हैड टोल्ड यू वेयर डज एंट लिव. एंट लिव इन एंट हिल्स, कॉलोनीज, राइट? they make different colonies and they live in that colonies. So ant live in ant hills. हनी भी कहाँ रहते हैं? अक्षत अनम्यूट करो, अक्षत चौहान.
Yes, teacher.
Akshat, where does honeybee live?
Beehive.
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 Pronounce ठीक से करो. Beehive. What is that place called where honeybee lives? They live in beehive.
Beehive.
What they store in the beehive?
Honeybee.
Honeybee store करते हैं beehive में.
Honey.
Honey, they store honey inside the beehive. So insects like ant, they live in ant hill, and honeybee, they live in beehive. Honeybee makes beehive on the trees. Okay, on the trees. Now, what are the other wild animals? Wild animals like lion and tiger. The lion, the king of the jungle, where does he live? He live in den. What is that place called? Where does lion live? Lion lives in den. What is the home of the lion and tiger called? It is called den. D-E-N, den. Okay, monkeys. Monkeys सबको पता है कहाँ रहते हैं? Monkeys कहाँ रहते हैं? They live on the trees. They jump, they play, they eat, they sleep on the trees. वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? वो झाड़ में टंगे रहते हैं. Monkeys. ठीक है. They live on trees. Whereas lion and tiger, they live on the den. What is that place called where lion and tiger live? That place is known as den. What are den? Den are the big caves. Den क्या होता है? वो caves रहते हैं, एक तरह का caves रहता है जिसमें these caves we can find inside the jungle. ठीक है. ये caves कहाँ हम देखते हैं? हम जंगल में ये caves देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So lion and tiger lives in the den and monkeys live on trees, whereas frog live on the tree. Sometimes they are on the tree, sometimes they live inside the water. They live in places. What is known as moist places? Krishiv, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. What are the moist places? Which places are known as moist places? Which are muddy, little bit muddy. जो places थोड़े गिल्ले रहते हैं ना, जिनमें ज्यादा पानी रहता है, that places are known as moist places. Okay, so you must have seen frogs live inside the water. Once the rainy season is over, once the rainy season is over, frogs comes out the water, outside of the water. Okay, sometimes frog live inside the water, sometimes he lives on the trees. Understood everybody till here? we had studied the